Hey there, fellow realtors. Michael Creasy here, and yes, I may have some shade on my face. The lighting is not perfect, but I want to talk to you today about making, ironically, the perfect video. And if you've attended my sessions, you know that video is about framing the shot properly, knowing what you want to say, having a conversation with the camera. What else? Good audio would be a good thing, and a distinctive call to action. Those elements make up the perfect video. But here's what I want you to embrace. It's a concept, and it's called good enough is good enough. I'm going to repeat that. Good enough is good enough. If you wait for the perfect video, it will never happen. Something always gets in the way. For example, you forgot to put your phone on airplane mode. People walk by, the background noise. You know what? Get over it. Good enough is good enough. If your message is strong and compelling and people can hear you and see you, you're well on your way to making that quote-unquote perfect video. So here's my takeaway. Good enough is good enough. Get it done.